Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Grammar Fun. My name is Jaya and we will be learning grammar together. The chapter that we are going to learn today is sentences and its kinds. What we are going to look into this chapter is what is a sentence and the kinds of sentences. So at first, let us look at what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words joined together to give complete meaning. A group of words which is joined together but not jumbled. It should be complete in meaning. For example, the cat drank the milk. Now, if I said the cat, the milk, that is not a sentence. But when I added drank along with the cat and the milk, it became a sentence. So, this is how a sentence should look like. Now, there are some points we have to remember when we write a sentence. The first point is a sentence always begins with a capital letter. So, whenever you are writing a sentence, in the beginning, it should always have a capital letter. The second point is a sentence ends in a full stop, question mark, or an exclamation mark. So, these are the three punctuations used in a sentence at the end of a sentence. Either it can be a full stop, or a question mark, or an exclamation mark. The third point is a verb is necessary in a sentence. So in a sentence without a verb, it will not have the correct meaning. For example, when I said the cat drank the milk, if I remove the word drank, the cat the milk, that is not a sentence. So a verb is always, or it is very necessary in a sentence. The fourth point is a sentence can be made up of any number of words. So any number of words can be made in a sentence. Not that only 10 words you can make in a sentence. No, you can, if you want to make a very long sentence, you can make it up to 15 or 20. That is according to your wish. Now let us look at the kinds of sentences. According to use, sentences are divided into four. So there are four kinds of sentences. First one is declarative or assertive sentences. Either you can say it as declarative or you can say it as assertive. Second one is interrogative sentences. Third one, imperative sentences. And the fourth one is exclamatory sentences. The first one is declarative or assertive sentences. Let us see what is the meaning of this type. It states or declares something. It means it gives us information. It states something. It tells us something. So these normal sentences are called as declarative or assertive sentences. For example, I am a teacher. I'm just telling, I'm just informing that I am a teacher. It is a normal sentence. It starts with a capital letter and ends in a full stop. So declarative or assertive sentences begins with a capital letter and ends in a full stop. The second type is interrogative sentences. It asks a question. So interrogative sentences are questions. Question sentences. If a sentence is given in the form of a question, then those sentences are called interrogative sentences. For example, what do you want? Now this is a question. It ends in a question mark. Now interrogative, at the end of an interrogative sentence, you will not put full stop. You will always use a question mark. Third one is imperative sentences. It expresses a request, command, or an advice. So if the sentence is in the form of a request, or if it is an order, or if it is an advice, those sentences are called imperative sentences. For example, please give me a glass of water. Now this is a request. So this is an imperative sentence. It usually does not have the doer of the action and starts with a verb. So in an imperative sentence, we will not have the one who is doing the action. It will only start with a verb. Now if you look at this example and you remove please, it started with the verb give. So An imperative sentence does not have the doer of the action. It always starts with a verb. The last kind of sentence is exclamatory sentences. It expresses a sudden or strong emotion or feeling such as happiness, sadness, anger, surprise, fear, or excitement. So, if our feeling or our emotion is very strong, not like a normal sentence, our feeling should be at the peak, at the high, then those kinds of sentences are called exclamatory sentences. For example, help, our house is on fire. So this is exclamatory sentence because it is showing a strong emotion or a feeling. It ends in an exclamation mark. So at the end of exclamatory sentences, you will always put an exclamation mark. I hope all of you have understood this chapter. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.